Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your website with WordPress security, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin protecting your website, start by updating your WordPress core, themes, and plugins. Outdated software can lead to vulnerabilities, so always check for updates regularly. Next, choose a strong password for your WordPress admin area. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Consider implementing two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This adds an additional verification step beyond just your password. Install a reputable security plugin to monitor your website for potential threats. Some popular options include WordFence, Securi, and iThemes Security. Regularly back up your website to an off-site location. This ensures that you can quickly restore your site if it is compromised. Change the default admin username to something unique. This makes it harder for attackers to guess your login information. Limit login attempts to prevent brute force attacks. Many security plugins offer this feature. Use SSL certificates to secure data transferred between your server and visitors. This helps protect sensitive information such as credit card details. Ensure that file permissions are correctly set on your server. Inappropriate permissions can expose your files to unauthorized access. Monitor your website's access logs regularly for suspicious activities. This can help you identify potential threats before they escalate. Disable XML-RPC if it is not being used on your site. Many attacks utilize this feature to exploit vulnerabilities. Be cautious with third-party themes and plugins, only installing trusted sources. Malicious code can often be hidden within these files. Educate yourself about common security threats and best practices. Staying informed helps you implement better defenses. Finally, consider hiring a professional to conduct a security audit for your website. They can identify vulnerabilities and suggest specific improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.